Good morning, students. We will continue with the yesterday's chapter, ad hoc studies. So we were trying to understand generally how these studies are conducted, what steps we have to take while carrying out these studies, and how do we design and all those things. So let us understand the all these aspects in detail. Okay, today. So the heading is the practical aspects of field studies. Practical aspects in the sense like how it is designed, then set up, then data is collected, pilot phase, and the subject, how the study is conducted, and how the subjects are enrolled, how the statistics are data are subjected to statistics. These things we are going to understand. So first step, what we need, let us review it. We understand that we need to have study question, a research question, correct? This is the first step where you understand what is that you want to do. That is the research question. Now let us understand how this research question is developed or designed. Right? Aparna,
Yes, sir.
what do you think that think about designing the research question? How can we develop this research question? Any idea or anything? Anything you think? How do we
Don't know, sir.
develop? Okay, Aquina,
First, we need to choose the topic.
choose the topic. Is a topic is a very broad term. Research question is like a aim, very specific. How do we develop that?
I don't know.
Atira James,
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Benazir,
Don't know, sir.
Giarli,
Don't know, sir.
Irene.
Sir, before taking a topic, we can do some readings and all. Like, what are the debates going on? What are the issues happening? So that
Okay, so you would like to understand the issues around the topic or the research question, correct?
yeah,
Can you be more specific?
like so before we have to do some preliminary readings so that we
Readings
can
from
find
readings from where?
some articles.
Okay,
Or,
what they are known as articles.
mm, mm,
What type of
sorry,
article
sir.
you would like to read?
Sorry, sir, I'm not getting it.
Your answer is correct, but I wanted you to become specific.
Mm.
Okay,
Research articles.
yeah, sorry.
Research articles we can
Yes,
refer.
correct, very correct. Apart from research article, whether you want to read any other article also.
Mm, sorry, sir.
You're not getting the correct name.
I,
Review article. Have you heard about review article?
yes, sir.
Huh. research article, one needs to go through research article, review article, textbooks, standard textbooks available, newsletters, in order to understand what was the problem, correct? After knowing the problem, we are going to write the study question or the objective. Okay, this is clear now. Next, Kessia Kurian. Kessia Rachel. Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Now we have understood how to design the research question, correct?
Sir.
Now, how you want your research question to be? You want it to be vague, specific, or selective?
Should be specific,
Not selective.
selective, and should be feasible.
No, my question is whether it should be selective or specific.
Specific.
Yeah, specific, because we do not know minute changes that may change. It is, since it is a research question, is a proposal question, it is always wise to be specific in nature when you're designing the research question, right? So now we know for the first step is to develop the research question. Then the research question is developed by reviewing or going through research articles and review articles. That is the first step, correct? Everyone is clear now? So can we move on to the next part of it? Anybody has any doubt? I guess there is no doubt. Let us move on to the next step. So please remember, whatever you are trying to learn today, you're going to write an assignment. So understand each and every step, because it is related to your research also. Project proposal, right? Project also. So understand it very clearly, each and every step. Okay. Next one is designing of the study. Designing of the study. Now, Manoj, what do you mean by designing of the study?
It might be framing the questions of we intended to get the results of the research article.
Mm-hmm. Designing, you design the study means what?
Like step by step, we have to frame the study step by step so that we can get the designated or intended results.
Correct, expected results. So like design means basically is a large term where it says that how do we go step by step while conducting the study, correct? That's what you mean. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the design of the study is dependent on two factors. First factor is a research question, which we have understood. It depends on the research question. And second one is expected issues or the problems, right? So designing of the study is the stepwise approach to conduct the study, and stepwise approach is dependent on two factors mainly. One is research question, other one is expected issues. Research question is developed based on the review of literatures such as research articles and review articles. The problem is that what is this expected issues? That is what we need to understand. Now, let us understand from Merlin what type of expected issues may arise. Merlin, Sarah.
Sir, the variability in the population can
Variability in the population, okay.
can give various outcomes.
Can give various outcomes. Very nice. Then any other issues?
Nothing, sir.
Oh, issues. Okay. Navindran,
Yes, sir.
what type of issues you may expect?
Sir, lack of communication,
Okay.
knowledge, interest, lack of interest.
Lack of interest. Then
That's it, sir.
okay. Nikita,
Yes, sir.
what are issues?
Sir, sometimes people won't respond properly to the question.
Okay, people won't respond properly. Okay, good. Okay, then
Then lack of proper research article for some types of topics.
yes. The information, the lack of information, the information about the medicines used, information that is about the information available about the study medications or study drugs will not be complete or will be having a lacuna. Insufficient information is available sometimes for the study drug on which you want to do the study, correct? So first issue is that insufficient information on the study medications. What is it? Can you think of any other issues? No?
Sir, in some research article, poor study repeated.
That is what it is. Since it is a poorly designed study, so the information what we are going to get will be insufficient in nature. That's what we wanted, right? Ultimately, it boils down to insufficient information about the study track, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, let us move on to other person also. Ria Pillai.
Some financial problems.
Sorry?
Financial problems.
Financial problems. Okay. No, they will invest. They will invest. Company who is involved in the study will invest a lot of money. Not a problem at all. Any other, of course it will introduce, but they'll work out only the method which is feasible in their hands. Then any other things?
Sometimes they may find difficulty in choosing the suitable research topic.
No. We will find out a suitable research topic only.
Okay.
Any other things? Okay. Ria, Sarah?
Yes, sir. So software related issues.
Software related issues. Yeah. Database. Yeah. Database may not be complete. Yeah. That's right. Second issue. Yeah. Any other issue?
So sometimes the field technicians, they may not carry out the test. I mean, they may not
No, no, we
carry out
will
the
train
survey.
them. We will train them very well.
Then I don't know, sir.
Okay. Sai Srilekha.
Sir, sometimes they'll not give complete information, like incomplete information or missing out something.
That's what we have seen. No, insufficient information about medicines.
Or sometimes the questions, if it is very complex, they will not understand.
No, we will make it simple for them to understand.
That's it, sir.
Okay. Sharin. Safisha. Any problem you can guess, sir? Sufficient. Sharin?
I think everyone has covered.
Sorry?
I think everyone has covered.
Everyone is covered. Sufficient. You are not. I have not called your name.
Yes, sir.
This is the first time I'm calling you. How do you think that I have covered everyone?
So I was listening since that time. So
oh, you
everyone
are
has given.
you are involved in listening. Okay. Sharin?
Yes, sir.
Can think of other information?
Sir, sometimes the follow-up of the subjects involved in the study may be difficult.
So, yeah.
Some
Go ahead.
Some study subjects may, in between of the study, they may drop out from the study in between some difficulties.
Okay. Good. See, other issues include incidence of outcome of interest. Incidence of outcome. Okay. How many times the results you're going to get it, or problems are going to be seen? That is known as incidence of outcome. Suppose if you are trying to do the research where the adverse reactions are going to be produced frequently or rarely, anything can happen. If it is very frequent in nature, then what you can do, cohort study you can design, or case control approach you can design. If the adverse drug consequences, for example, is rarely produced, then you can go for case control studies. So depending on the incidence of outcome, which may be beneficial in nature or which may be adverse in nature, in either cases, depending on the incidence, if it is continuous one, cohort study can be designed. If it is a rare one, case control studies can be designed. See how the design of the study changes based on the problem. This is the one type. And first one is we already understood information about the medicines used. So in such case, when there is no information or insufficient information, it is always wise to go with the lower number of population. Then slowly rise on as you get the experience. The third type of problem which we may experience is that frequency of exposure to the drug. Frequency of exposure to the drug. Whether the patient is receiving the drug daily, that means he is frequently exposed on daily basis, or the patient is getting exposed to the drug once in 3 days or once in a month. So based on these exposure of the patients to drug, the design of the study will vary. So these are all expected problem. The usual way is that to administer the drug for some period, like for example 20 days means 20 days period, and within 20 days what happens, you're going to assess it. The problem comes or issue comes only when the schedule changes to say once in 3 days or once in 8 days or once in a month type of thing. The next type of issue which we may experience is that the relationship between the drug and adverse drug reactions. See, we know that some drugs produce adverse consequences immediately after they are taken, correct? Which we have already understood under concept of risk chapter. But some drugs produce adverse consequences after 6 months, or maybe after 1 year, 2 years. After 20 years also, the adverse consequences may appear. Now, the problem comes is that how do we relate the adverse consequence with the drug? So there will be a lack of information about such association. So in such cases, then the study of the study design usually changes. Okay. Next one is location of the study where the medication is legally approved. Say, for example, in America, one drug is synthesized, and they found that it is very effective and safe. Suppose you are interested to do the same, same study in India using the drug that is prepared in the America, right? Now, to do such a study in India, that drug must be approved by drug controller of India. Without him approving it, you cannot do any study in India. So this is the problem when the site of the study changes between two countries. So that is why whenever you want to do the study, you have to do the study in those countries where your study drug is approved or likely to be approved after the study is initiated or before the study is initiated within a short period of time. So this is the another issue. So this issue makes you to do the study only in those countries where the drug is approved, but you cannot do the study in those countries where it is not approved. So this is the expected issue which you may come across. You must have a good source of information in order to expect the outcome, which may be beneficial in nature or adverse in nature, but you should have sufficient information in order to confirm that yes, we can start the study. It is not that you have a drug, you have a patient, you have the approval, and you're going to start. It is not like that. But when you start the treatment, what is the consequence the drug may produce? Are you having all the precautionary steps in order to prevent any adverse consequences that is induced by the study drug? So this is the another issue which may arise. The sources of information about the outcome of interest. And you should also have the sources of information in order to define the outcome of interest. For example, now you say that severe adverse drug reaction is produced. So you must be having a definition. Severe adverse drug reaction means what? With that indicator, one can do the study. Without that indicator, it is very difficult to do the study because it will be vague. So sources of information should be available about the outcome of the study drug so that precautionary measures can be taken care of, as well as you should have a sources of information to define the outcome of interest. Beneficial side, if you want to say, okay, now cancer patients have improved. If you say cancer patients have improved means what is the indicator you have? That is the problem. Whether the cancer cells count has come down by 50%, but the symptoms are disappeared. are completely the cancer cells are disappeared from the body. So you need to have a specific definitions for each outcome. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult to correlate between the drug outcome and your interpretation of the results, right? So this is about the expected issues which one may come across, one should know while designing the study. So considering these possible expectations on one side and the research study on the other side, one can go for designing of the study, which is the second main step in the design, in the conduction of field study. That is why even I was also telling to research groups that whatever the study you want to take it, but see to it that the cases are available, because once you have the cases, conducting the research becomes easy. So that is why it is an expected issue which you need to consider, right? This is clear. Can we move on to the next step of this conduction of field study? Anybody has any doubt? Can we move on?
No,
Yeah. Irene, you have some doubt?
no, sir. I said we can move. No
We
doubt.
can move on. Okay. Thank you. Okay. The next step is setup of the study. Let us understand the meaning of it so that it becomes easy for us to move on. Aparna, what do you mean by setup of the study?
We have to the steps of this study, what all data should be collected, and how we are going to conduct the study.
How we are going to conduct the study. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Setup means how we are going to conduct the study. Like how do you really place your things on the ground so that based on that you can start doing the study. Okay, setup. So this is dependent on three three aspects. First step is data collection network, study staff, and computing infrastructure. Basically computer facility, right? So it depends on three aspects: data collection network, study staff, and computing infrastructure, which is computer facility. Nowadays, without computer, nothing can work out. We know that very well. Let us see what is the importance of this, what is this data collection network, how it is important. Aquina, what is this data collection network? Do you have any idea?
Like PubMed.
Sorry?
PubMed.
Can you please put it in the chat box? I'm not able to hear it. The voice is breaking. Please put it in the chat box. Atira?
So, it is different types of methods you use to collect the data.
Different methods used to collect the data.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, GRLink. It is a network, data collection network. GRLink Irene?
Yeah, sir, is it like we have to do some survey or something like that?
Yeah,
Some
that's what
census.
basically you're going to do it. But here something like a data collection network is there. What does that mean?
Data collection
network.
Like some I don't know, sir, clearly.
Okay, no problem. We'll go to Kamal.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Kezia, Richard.
So,
Yeah. What do you think?
Network performance evaluation.
Network of?
It supports performance evaluation.
Performance.
Network performance.
Okay. Okay, let us move on to other people also. Let us see what other people say. Lakshmi.
Sir.
What do you mean by, what do you understand by a data collection network?
Like using mobile technology or internet.
Mobile technology. Okay, good. Next, we will understand from Kezia. Manoj, what it is? Can you think of? Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you think?
Don't know, sir.
Marlin, Sarah?
Sir, from which all sources we are collecting the data? Maybe that's
Which all the sources we are collecting. You have a set of data only. Data collection will be a set. Actually, you cannot use, Marlin cannot use one data. Manoj cannot use, I cannot use different data. The things are set up actually. But there is a network things is coming. Navindra? Nikita?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. Riya Pillai?
Don't know, sir.
Riya Sara?
So the SARS system, the computer software that's related to which the data is stored.
What is this SAS system?
I read it in articles where they analyze the data through such softwares.
Sai Srilekha?
Sir, is it like collecting data from like different sources and combining together at one particular
Different sources
data?
means from where? Which are those sources?
Databases, articles.
Suppose investigators who are working in two different places, how they can collect?
From two different places.
Say two different countries.
Okay.
How they can collect the data?
They can collect and I mean like from their places they can collect and send each other. No, sir. Like
So
to
is it that you are trying to say? Different sources.
I mean, from I'm what I'm trying to tell is like from one particular data. No, not like that. Don't know, sir.
Okay, sufficient.
So is it a network like experimental data and observational data?
Okay, let us move on to Sherin.
Don't know, sir.
Sonam?
where they might appoint some staffs who will be responsible for collecting the data from different databases.
From different databases. So you want to have different databases. Okay. Tenzin?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. See, data collection network, it is a collection of the data between two investigators or between more investigators, co-investigators, who are present in one country in different places or two different countries in different places. So they will have a network that they can connect each other. This is called as data collection network between the investigators, not from different sources. That we will understand why it is not the different sources, but only investigators. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. If there is no doubt, we are going to de-link in a few seconds time. We will continue with the chapter in the next class. So next class, just